I am the most inconsistent Toastmaster in this term. This is like Indian politician. Don't meet the people who made you winner. There is a simple reason behind it. I was suffering through demo since last 3 months, so I could not adapt to Bangalore Toastmasters. Fellow Toastmasters and dear guests, good evening.
Good evening.
I have divided my topics in 5 parts. First, what is demo? Second, what are the symptoms and suggestions? Third, figures and facts. Fourth, my experience. And the last, conclusion. The first point, dengue. It's a dangerous disease. It is infectious tropical disease. It is caused by dengue virus. It is caused by biting mosquito. They are special mosquito. They bite only in daytime, not in night. It may also caused by transfusion of blood. Suppose that if my everything is suffering through dengue and any female mosquito bites him, she will get infected with the dengue, and she is now the most dangerous mosquito on the planet for the human being. In dengue, your immune system will be paralyzed. Attack of other disease is vulnerable. In our blood, there is a special entity called platelet count. It has normal range from 150K to 400K unit. In dengue, it decreases rapidly, like this. If its range has 40,000K, you are in danger. If it reaches to 30K, you should be shifted in ICU. If it reaches in 20K, bleeding might start from nose and mouth. And if it reaches in the range of 10K, body doesn't accept anything from outside. In that situation, God can use it. Second point, what are the symptoms? You might have fever, body pain, headache, joint pain, skin rash. If any such kind of symptom is you, please consult a doctor. What are the suggestions? Take papaya juice. That is extracted from the fresh leaf of the papaya. Second, take wheat juice. That is extracted from the fresh leaf of wheat. Third, take pomegranate juice. And the last, take as much water as possible in the form of water, juice, pulse, anything in the form of water. That will help. Now, the point number 3, facts and figures. There is no human vaccine available against dengue. Medical science has claimed that they will find the vaccine till 2015. So you can think, if there is no vaccine, how you can survive? In Bangalore, 30 people have died in the last 3 months. But in the government record, it is only 1. The reason is he died only in government hospital, rest died in private. Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru are under attack of dengue. Media are telling all the things, a lot of people are being affected from this. But this government, neither central government nor state government doing anything to overcome from it. I think they are too busy to save their own chairs. The man who inspired the people to fall in love just passed few weeks ago due to the devil. Rest in peace, the king of romance, Yeshua. Finally, the fourth one, my experience. I have a lot of friends in Bangalore. I had a lot of confusion most of the time. You are my best friend, good friend. than 30 days. My best friend was always with me 24 hours. 1 hour, at least 1 hour then. So most of the time they were talking, joking. Once one of my friend joked, एक मच्छर साला आदमी को कीड़ा बना देता है. A mosquito can make a man winner. My other friend started laughing. I replied, हंस लो सालो, मैं तुम्हारा ही मर जाऊंगा. Laugh, I replied as a bachelor. Next moment, tears rolled out from the eyes of my friend. That was one of the moments of my life in which I lived a decade. Can you close your eyes for next 30 or 40 seconds? Now we are going to take an assumptions. Somehow you came to know that you are going to die in next few hours. Let your mind freely think what it is thinking.
I want to die as well.
Can you feel the moment that you are going to die? This is the assumption.
They are not happy.
Okay. I want to share my experience when I was in this situation. I was remembering my old time, my moment of life in which I have lived so many decades. I was remembering when I read the glory once I got selected in IIT and inspired thousands of students to do something in their life. I was remembering about my life, what life that leads me to create two lives. रात दिन मुश्किल कोशिशें, जिंदगी कैसे बेहतर बने, इतने गम जिंदगी के लिए फिर इसी का भरोसा नहीं. We are working day and night for this life to make this life better, better, far better. And one day we have to worry. This life is not trustworthy to us. So, once a wise mind asks, who is the wisest person on the planet? The reply is, prepare for your death before you die. In conclusion,